Well, just over 700 visitors in just 20 minutes of opening their doors.
The new Eau Claire Hy-Vee is officially open for business, and to mark the occasion, a special guest stopped by. Governor Tony Evers made his way back to the Chippewa Valley earlier today after yesterday's Western Wisconsin stop. In an effort to support the local economy, Hy-Vee has partnered with several dozen of local growers and producers.
It's all part of their initiative called the Hy-Vee Homegrown Program. It locally sources fruits, vegetables, and other products produced within a 20-mile radius of the nearest Hy-Vee. It's a plan Governor Tony Evers thinks will make a significant impact on Eau Claire.
Having local products available is really important for the entire state of Wisconsin, but obviously in Eau Claire area it's going to be a big thing if you have somebody selling your product in large numbers. It's going to make a huge difference.
The Eau Claire Hy-Vee has partnered with local brands like Superior Fresh from Hickston for produce, Silver Spring Foods for condiments, and Infinity Wine from Eau Claire. Officials say that they will increase their partnerships with area growers and farmers over the course of harvesting season.